Today we're checking out the Friedman BE-Mini while also cranking some 80s riffs. Should be fun. Check out this little bad boy here. You can see how small it is. This is the BE-Mini. It's 30 watts. It's solid state. It's really cool. It's got a full band EQ, and it's got a cut and tight switch on it and a great effects loop in the back. You can kind of see where my settings are here, and we'll go through a few tones. Right now I've got my Boss SD1 hooked up in front of it, but I'll turn that on and off momentarily. Alright, so without any overdrives or anything in front of it, this amp has a nice crunch tone with the gain right at around 10 o'clock there. The settings, the amp settings can vary a little bit. I keep the bass around 4 or 5 and the mids around 4 or 5. And then the treble and presence can come up just a little bit. The cut I like all the way down, and the tight switch I like all the way down, which are the tightest and the most gain. And that's what you get here. This is without any pedals. It's nice. It's not necessarily, you know, gonna get you into chug heaven, but it's a good crunchy rock tone. So that's cool. And then if you, you know, use that volume knob the way God intended it, you can actually get a somewhat clean tone out of it. Now, it's not a very clean amp, so if you're looking for pristine cleans, this will not be the amp to do that. However, you just heard that you can get somewhat clean tones out of it. Now, the way I like to use it generally is with a little bit of an overdrive in front. This is a Boss SD1, just to tighten it up a little bit and give it a little bit more on the chug. So now we have this. So anywhere from, you know, crunchy AC/DC to Badlands to overdriven White Snake and beyond with a overdrive pedal. Very cool, very versatile. The lead tones are really nice. This is my front pickup. So this is a great little practice amp, and it can get loud, but it can also dial it back a bit so that it's friendly to your condo or apartment and doesn't piss off the neighbors too much. But it's great. You can get your crunch sounds, your overdriven rhythms, cool lead sounds like you just heard. You can use your effects loop and get all kinds of stuff. There's knobs you can twist and get all that goodness out of it, but it's just really fun. Plug it into a cab and go with it. So I've really enjoyed having this amp, and you'll see it sitting on top of those other Friedmans in many more videos. I use it all the time for my Zoom guitar lessons as well. Plug straight into that Marshall cab right there. Okay, before I let you go, I got a couple quick things I'm excited to tell you about. Number one, I've got a brand new course called 80s Metal Guitar 101, and it's great if you're just wanting to get the basics down, power chords, riffing, basic lead guitar techniques and stuff like that. There's a link down below. You can pre-order now. The official course launches on August 19th, Tuesday, just around the corner here. Also, I've got a free gift for you guys. It's called 5 Must-Know 80s Metal Riffs, and that link is down there as well. So make sure and grab that. All right? I'll see you guys next time. Rock on.